I'm so excited to show you my white noise machine today. I've been using this white noise machine for my toddler since he was born. He's almost 2, but I use this every single day. But also, I am a vet nurse, and then this is very useful for fearful animals, but also at home pets. For fireworks day, or any, thunderstorm or any kind of a loud noise. But also I've seen my manager using this machine to hang on the doorknob outside while they're having a meetings. So there's a multiple use for this little machine. It's very mighty. What this comes with it is just a little ring like this, so you can hang on the doorknob so easily. And then I want to show you, there's a multiple, so this is white noise, different sounds. There's a little button. Yeah, like that. And then you can change the volume up and down. And then it charges with this charging cord. Usually once you charge it, maybe like an hour or less, this is good for up until, I don't know, it never dies on me, even though we slept in like 14 hours later with the baby. So if you're looking for something portable but super useful white noise machine, I highly recommend this item.